Why did I first decide to get into the field of criminal justice? Well, I always knew that I wanted to practice law. Both my parents are immigrants, and I thought initially I wanted to do just immigration law. But as I've learned more about the legal system, I just became fascinated. And this is something I always tell my students. I find our legal system, our criminal justice system, with all its flaws, and I always tell students it has many flaws, but I find it absolutely fascinating. I find that the procedures that are in place to ensure a sense of equality and justice is like no other. And because of that fascination that I have with our legal system, I found that this field was just the right field for me. I love teaching. And I tell students that if they get nothing else out of my class, it goes back to that fascination with our legal system. I love the energy that I get from a classroom. I love it when students actually get a concept that I'm trying to explain to them, and then they use it in explaining something else to me. That I can't even name what that does to me. It's such kind of like this instant gratification that I see in their faces when they get it. What inspired me to teach here at HCC? I actually was a student here many years ago, many years ago. I found that I got one of the best educations here. And I went on to four-year universities where it was very impersonal, very large classrooms. And you did not get the same sense of attention that you got here at HCC. My most rewarding part of teaching is my students. The interaction I have with them when I see them pursuing their own careers in criminal justice. I have students who have gone on to grad school. I have students who are now police officers. I have a few students who are now working with the Secret Service. So seeing them kind of take just a bit of what I've given them in class and through the interactions with me and go on to pursue careers in this field is very rewarding.